Removing your Facebook bio is a quick way to keep your profile clean and simple. If you no longer want your bio to appear on your profile, you can delete it directly from the Facebook app in just a few taps. To begin, launch the Facebook app on your phone and sign in if you haven't already. From the home screen, tap your profile picture to open your personal profile page. Once you're on your profile, tap the Edit Profile button. This section lets you customize your profile information, including your bio, profile details, and other personal information. Scroll down until you locate the bio section. Tap Edit beside it to access the text you've previously added. You'll now see your current bio displayed inside a text box. Delete everything written in the bio field. If your goal is to remove the bio completely, make sure the box is left empty. After clearing the text, tap Save to confirm your changes. Facebook will update your profile automatically. Return to your profile page to verify that the bio has been removed. If it still appears, refresh the page or wait a few seconds for the changes to sync. Keep in mind that removing your bio doesn't affect any of your other profile information, such as your profile picture, cover photo, or personal details. You can always add a new bio later by following the same steps and entering new text. Your profile is now bio-free. If this guide helped, give it a like and stay tuned for more simple Facebook tips and tutorials.